Hi, I'm Anuj Oja. Welcome to Benzine's Agile for Remote session. Right now, I'm going to teach you about the tool called Whimsical that we have used a lot during the pandemic time, and that has been also helpful for us in conducting the story point or story writing workshop. So I will be teaching you about what it means. So if you see, it looks like a big, vast canvas in front of you, and you can just add as many brainstorming things about your project here. So if I just expand it, I'll show you what is that it can offer you. So let me show you. When you do the session like story writing workshop or maybe a product discovery session, so first of all, it's very important for us to know that how it all begins. So once you have a vision statement in place, and then now you want to find out who are the personas. So here, let me just zoom in, and you will see that how clear it will be for you once it gets zoomed to have a look. So you can also define the personas that you have it in mind. Once you identify the persona you want to conduct a user journey, so here you can see that you can have features for creating a journey of a user. You can add these blocks. You can below go further and talk about how the persona is feeling, and the sad, the neutral, and every other things with the color coding that also is visible here. If you want to talk about the future opportunities or technology interventions that you want to bring in, that can come somewhere here that you can also add. So once that is done, now it's time for you to go further, and you want to now go into the uh, story mapping session. In the story mapping session as well, if I show you, you can find out the backbone, the walking skeleton. Okay, and now it's time for you to identify the depth. So you can just identify the depth, and even if some work items are dependent, you can use these links to show them how they are dependent to each other. Then now it's time for us also to see that what are the goals that we have been working on. So you can talk about the goals, what are the next steps that you have it in mind, that will come here. So when the people will start brainstorming onto your backlog, in case they want to find out what are the stories that we need to finish to make sure that this story map is going to get accomplished, in that case you can also use mind mapping feature. So this tool provides that feature as well. So you can go at various levels and conduct the mind mapping. And once that mind mapping has also happened, now you want to also show it to users about users, I mean the business stakeholders or anybody new that you want to explain how it works. So you can use these connectors, and you can further move on and show them the workflow screen by screen, that what all screens that you are going to develop. So this feature has helped us a lot into showing all about the project discovery that we have done at the start. And after this, you can just start your sprinting and execute the project. Once you are sprinting, you can see, come here, and you can use different color code to show that what all features that you have already finished. Even though here this can mind mapping can use for estimations as well. So I can show you that how we have estimated. You can use the planning pocket technique, and then you can give the story points also for each work item that you have further split it down into small pieces. So with that note, you can see that this is one of the canvas that we have made. Likewise, you can have as many canvases that you want for your project. So it's just one single space, and all the brainstorming can happen here. I hope this will help you. Thank you so much, and have a good day.